Hello and welcome to a new video. In this video I'm going to show you one of my easy peasy templates, number 11. The templates are templates for Instagram posts, and I like to show you what you can do with them and how you can integrate them also in your photo books. How often do we have or we do a post on Instagram and later we think, well, that is something I like to have in my photo book, and for that I have created them. You get them in 3 different sizes here. You get the 4x8, the 8,5 by 11, and the 12 by 12 inches. Also, what I have now new in my templates are the PNG files, so you also can pick here from the drop-down menu the PNG files in the different sizes or the all-in-one pack, and the same you have here on top with the PSD files. So everything is built up in all my templates the same way. And so let's get started. I have already opened them in my Photoshop, and I use Photoshop 2018 just. This is how the 12 by 12 page looks like. Then we have the next one, it's the 4x8, it's the traveler notebook size, and then we have the letter size over here. So we have those 3 versions. So you can now add the photo of that what you like. Let me just open here my pixels. This is new to me because the Pixabay app doesn't work somehow anymore for Photoshop. Okay, so let's get started. We go to the layer post photo here, and let's use that one. It just downloaded, it resized, and now it will be added here into my post here. Okay, this is how it looks like now. What you can now do is here you can change, of course, your name. Here is my designer name, so you can change that. When you open the files, you can use the type, how is it called? Type kit on Adobe if you have it, or you can change the font how you like it. Just use a very serif-less font, non-serif font. This is up to you. It's Montserrat is one of the nice fonts to use, for example. And you can add here the name. This is also replaceable, and of course you can add here a little profile photo. We can try that. Let's see. Let's search here face. Gonna use that one. And it will be added now. This is not for me, but you can see, you can add here your photo. So everything will be the same as you have in your own Instagram account, or if you don't have one but want to have a kind of page like that, you can also use that. What you can do is you can also change here the hashtags. Of course, you can add here a description, and you can change the likes. So if you want a higher like rate, you can change that one. So this is everything is addable. What you also can do is, if you have a few more pictures you like to have on your page, you start with a 12 by 12 page. For example, you also can add any other size. So you have your page here, and I'm gonna do now 2 versions. The first version, so you take care, the first version will only work if you have Photoshop CC because it uses smart objects. I will do a second one for you as well for a Photoshop for lower versions or for those who don't want to use smart objects. And first of all, we go to our template, the 12 by 12 or the 8 by 5. This is up to you. And we start to make, with all the layers we have here without a background, a smart object. And this is, I can't see it. Oh, I know, because of that one. Okay, create, convert to smart objects over here. You can see that here. So it didn't work because one of the layers was locked. So now you have one smart object, and now you can drag and drop that here on your page. Okay? And now you can add, maybe you want to add 9 or 6 different ones. You're gonna resize them. And important is now, if you have a smart object, this is only the way how you work with a smart object. You go on your layer, right click, and you say new smart object via copy, okay? So it duplicates. If you only duplicate the layer, when you add here now, we're gonna change one photo just for a second that you see the difference between all those different adjustments. So where is my extension again? Pixels over here. So we add here, maybe this beauty here. We add that now. I'm gonna turn off my mobile. Okay, so we have now this lady here, and when we open now this smart object, we have opened this one and this one the same time, even you only have opened one smart object, because when I now save it, you will see that those both images will change. And this one not, because I've made from that one smart object via copy. Okay? So let's place that under here. So we have them underneath. Did you see the difference? So we go and open now that one. And close that, and let's use this nice woman here. Okay, when I now save the smart object here, it will happen that I only have this new image here in this one, but this not. And that's only happens because I have duplicated the smart object via this this new smart object via copy. That's the most important thing. As soon as you only duplicate a smart object without only copy paste, or you duplicate the layer or whatever, it will always change all smart objects on your page. Okay, so we delete now this one, and then we have those 3 here. And this is what I'm gonna do now. If I duplicate now the layers this way, I will always have, if I change this image, the same image will change here. Same if I change that one, it will change that. Okay. So what you're gonna do now is I'm gonna smart object via copy and place it underneath. You go to the next layer, you go to your layer, new smart object via copy and place that underneath. And the same with the last one, new smart object via copy, and we have that one. And now you have 6 different Instagram posts on one 12 by 12 page. And you can change everything. So we're gonna open that one. I will not now change here the description and the name, whatever. This is all up to you, but that you understand how you can use those templates. Okay, let's use that one. And I'm gonna save it now. And as you see now, only the objects here on the bottom here will change. And then we go to the next one. And we use this cute little guy here. Over here. And then we have the next one. Let's use that one. So you also can start now to make a little bit of storyboard. That was wrong. Storyboard, storybook, story on a one page. You can, if you have a series of photos, and you can make here a story on your page with following images. For example, you bake something, you start with ingredients, how you set up everything, then how you stir everything, cut, chop, however, bake, fry, and this is one story, and it's told in a Instagram story on your pages and later in your photo book. So this is a little bit of a inspiration for your photo books, how you can use the new template. And I hope you like this video, and I hope you enjoy it, and have a happy time. It's Corona time, we are locked in, and it's the best time to scrap. It's the best time to create your photo books because you have time, and you need to get positive thoughts. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna see us sure in the next video. Have a good time. Bye.